What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be doing a review on the Bose 700 wireless noise canceling headphones. So the price point on these is going to be $400. And in this video, I'm going to tell you some things I like about them, some things I don't like about them. And then by the end, I'll let you know if I think they're worth that $400 price tag. So let's get right into it. All right, so these come in black, as you can see right here. They also come in silver as well as a white color option for you to choose from if you're interested. So what you're gonna get a carrying case like this here. It'll also come with a USB Type-C charging cable, as well as an audio cable or aux cable, whatever you wanna call it, so that you can plug the headphones up manually to whatever it is that you're listening to. So these will take about 2.5 hours to fully charge, and on a full charge, you'll get 20 hours of listening time. They do feature quick charge, so if you only have a little bit of time to charge them up, 15 minutes will get you about 3.5 hours. So these will allow you to connect them to up to 2 devices at the same time, which is a pretty cool feature to have. So I'll go ahead and pick these up and show you guys some up close shots of what they look like. So it's definitely a modern design that Bose went with these headphones, and I'm not mad at it. I think it looks pretty cool, especially when you put them on, which I'll show you guys here in a little bit. But on the top side of the ear cups is where you can see one of the microphones. So you got one right there. And then if you flip them over and look at the bottom side, you'll see 2 other microphones. You got one there and then also one there. Also on the bottom side here is where you got your different ports. You got your charging port there, audio port there, and then you've got 3 different buttons. So this is going to be your power button or your Bluetooth button. This is going to be your action button, which you can program to work with your Google Assistant or Alexa or whatever it is that you use with your smartphone. And then this is going to be your noise cancellation button. So overall, like I said, a very modern design from Bose. I think it looks pretty cool. One thing that I thought was especially cool is how you adjust them to fit to your head. So with most headphones, the actual headband is what adjusts in size. If you want to make it bigger, you pull on the headband and it stretches out. But with these, the ear cup slides up and down the headband to adjust the size, which I thought is cool. So if you take a look here, if I want to make these bigger, I just take the ear cup and slide it down like that. If I want to make it smaller, take it and slide it up like that. So I thought that was cool, something different that I haven't seen before. So these do feature touch sensitive controls, which is an upgrade from the Bose QC series noise canceling headphones. So in order to utilize the touch controls, you're going to use this front half of the right ear cup. That's the only place that it will work. It won't work on the left side, and it won't work on the rear of the right ear cup. So in order to play and pause your music, you'll simply tap it twice. If you want to go to the next song, you'll slide forward. Go to the previous song, you'll slide backward. Increase volume, slide up. Decrease volume, slide down. Also to answer hang up calls, to mute a call, to decline a call, etc. All that is going to be managed with this front portion of the right ear cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on and show you guys what they look like. So overall, the fit with these is very comfortable. They do a great job of fitting snugly and securely around your ears without feeling too tight. They give a nice good seal, creating a nice environment for the noise cancellation to take effect even before you even turn the headphones on. So that's definitely a plus. So I definitely like the fit with these. Let's go ahead and move on to the noise cancellation. So with these being Bose headphones, noise cancellation isn't really going to be a surprise. The noise cancellation is excellent. One thing that they did add with these headphones, opposed to the QC series, which is kind of the predecessor of these headphones, they give you more control of the noise cancellation. So with the older QC, you get an off setting, a low setting, and a high setting. With these, you can control them from 0 all the way to 10 and anywhere you want in between. I could definitely recommend these to people that like to travel a lot. If you're taking long flights, long train rides, bus rides, if you want to block out all that extra noise, these will definitely do the job. Now, let's go ahead and move on to the sound quality of these headphones. I gotta admit, I was a little bit disappointed. At this price point of $400, I was expecting a lot more than what these headphones offered me. I feel like these headphones, they do well in terms of clarity. So if you listen to something that's primarily focused on vocals, something like a podcast or something like that, you know, these will be no problem. In terms of listening to music, especially if you're the type of person that listens to a wide variety of music, these lack bass, in my opinion. They lack overall depth and dynamic range. I feel like the sound is relatively flat. You know, it sounds very flat. I don't feel like I'm immersed in the sound when I'm listening to music. I think when you compare these to, you know, Sony headphones, the, you know, 1000 XM3s, the sound quality is night and day. Sony knocks it out of the park in terms of the sound. With these, like I said, it sounds very flat to me. So Bose does offer the Bose Music app, which you can connect to the headphones to give you control of the headphones and everything. And within the app, they do not offer any type of EQ controls, which Sony does offer that for their headphones, which is also, you know, somewhat of a disappointment. With these headphones sounding flat, it would be nice to at least have some EQ options to try and tailor the sound to fit your needs, you know, specifically. Now, depending on what type of, you know, music you're listening to and where you're listening to it, you probably have some EQ options there, you know, whether it be Google Play or Spotify, you can play around with the EQ. But I feel like, again, at this price point, you know, Bose should give me everything I need to get the most out of these headphones. You know what I mean? Moving on to the call quality of the headphones, really no issues there. These will actually probably give you some of the best call quality there is to offer. You got multiple microphones surrounding the ear cups, so plenty of microphones to pick up your sound. All right, so my overall opinion on these headphones, if I'm gonna spend $400 on a pair of headphones, it honestly would not be these. I would go with the Sony 1000 XM3s before I would go with these. You know, the Sonys, they have better sound quality. The functionality of their app is better in my opinion. You know, the Sonys, they give you control of the EQ. They've even got some surround sound settings, you know, as well as the noise cancellation settings, obviously. And overall, I feel like they just, you know, they have more to offer than these. You know, I feel like what Bose needs to do, and y'all don't have to pay me for this, Bose, but I'm gonna put y'all on game real quick. You guys, you need to take the look and the touch controls of these headphones and combine it with the sound quality and the comfort of the Bose QC35s. If you do that, it'll be game over. You know, you'll have the best noise canceling headphones on the market. As far as these, they have some good features, but I just can't justify paying the $400 price tag. Simple as that. So that's gonna be it for this video, man. If y'all liked the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Definitely more reviews on the way. But until then, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.